The motion is for the protective custody of Ramil Madriaga. Those who are in favor of the motion, please raise your hand.
May I just clarify?
Yes, please.
That my motion requests, I'm moving specifically for three things. Number
Yes.
one, that we make sure that there is additional security provided to Mr. Madriaga.
You said from the NBI.
In his present place of detention by the NBI. Second, that both in the transport when he's required out here to testify and while he's testifying, again, that adequate security be provided.
Alright? So those who are in favor of the motion for protective custody of witness Ramil Madriaga, please raise your right hand. You may put down your hands. Those who are not in favor, please raise your right hand. Honorable Pino. Thank you, Honorable Rodriguez. Those who abstain, please raise your right hand. That concludes the voting. We shall announce the result. With 35 votes in the affirmative and 1 vote in the negative, with 0 abstention, the motion is granted. The Secretariat is requested to closely coordinate with the Office of the Sergeant at Arms and/or Legislative Security Bureau for the protection of Ramil Madriaga. As courtesy by the committee, please also notify the BJMP as well as the respective regional trial court which ordered his detention. So moved.